So one of Blue's favorite thing is to get on top of his cage up here, kind of strut around. Of course, he's not moving now, the camera's on him. What are you doing? Coming up here? Where you going? You gonna say hello? You gonna say hello? You're not moving now. You're frozen. Are ya? Look at ya. You gonna do some more strutting? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? You look like you got chicken legs. You got chicken legs. What are you doing? You're trying to bite it. What are you doing, Blue?